Sleep on it to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. In our idiom today, we're talking about sleep as part of this year's Get Up and Go Challenge. We're working on physical well-being and physical health and goals in the area of our physicality for this year's annual challenge. And so today, to coincide with that, we're talking about sleep, the importance of sleep, how to get better sleep, tips for getting better sleep, why we even care about getting sleep. And so sleeping on it felt like an appropriate idiom to coincide with that, especially when it comes to growing and building and supersizing our business. This idiom actually is traced back to King Henry VIII in 1519, when some of his state papers said something about he was going to sleep on and dream about a decision that he had to make. And so this translated to us taking some more time to consider our decisions, to consider our actions. And I will admit, I have slept on a lot of decisions that I've needed to make over the course of my career, over the course of my life, over the course of building and growing and supersizing different businesses in different industries. Things like business acquisitions, I definitely will sleep on them. Big projects or product extensions, I will sleep on those. We'll gather all the information, we'll talk about it, we'll have meetings, and then I will take a time out, and I will always sleep on and consider what are the possible outcomes of taking that action. Customers, whales of customers, whether I wanted to continue to work with them or whether I had to let them go. Those were decisions sometimes I had to sleep on for months before I actually came to terms with what I knew needed to be done. You know, the first night I slept on it, but I had to find ways to ease the transition for myself and for other people in the organization. Legal recourse or taking legal actions, definitely sleep on those things. Negotiations, audits, planning, hiring, preparation, strategic planning, goals and objectives. I sleep on all those things. I don't just quickly and easily make a decision. I actually adopted, when my kids were little, a no first policy. And whenever they would ask for something, I would say no, because that bought me some time to go back and think about the different aspects of the thing they were asking for. And almost all the time I would go back and say, yep, that's okay, I had a minute to think about it, you can do that. But instead of being locked into a maybe, which they would know would be a no, or I'm not even going to think about it, I would told them I'm going to say no, and then I'm going to think about it, and once I've decided, then I'll tell you what my final answer is, my final decision. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom, this expression, sleep on it. Do you sleep on your decisions, at least the important ones? And if so, give us some examples of that and how that's positively impacted you as you grow and build and supersize your business. Have an amazing day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye.